Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Montego Bay and we're giving you a tour of the Unico Hotel. Now this massive building is one of two buildings that form this hotel. And every time I look at this development, I'm amazed that it's only 450 rooms in this development. This is actually the first tower that we're looking at now, and then we're going to fly over it. It's a drone tour. We're going to fly over and show you the second tower. Now, these are some massive buildings. I would say definitely, let's see if we can count the floors. At least 15 floors in this tower, and the other tower is just as much. I'm still surprised that it's only 450 rooms at this development, but it's a luxury development, so maybe the rooms are extra big. I'm not sure, but very amazed at how tall these buildings are. Okay, so this video is actually done after the hurricane, and as you can see, this building didn't suffer any damage, but the other building had some slight damage. But we'll fly back over there and show you where it was. And this hotel is to open in 2026. And this entire strip, that's the Northern Coastal Highway, the road you're looking at the top of the screen. This strip out in Lilliput is going to have some of the largest hotels in Jamaica. This hotel, and to the right, you have the 34-floor Moon Palace. Moon Palace being built. They've actually started construction. We'll show you that in another video. Then to the left of this hotel, you're going to have the massive Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. That one hasn't started yet, but it's going to be over 20 floors. And then beside the Hard Rock Casino, you have the Iberia Star Hotels. Now, the Iberia Star Hotels are open. Okay, right here where you see the crane, there is some slight damage to the roof from the hurricane, but as you can see, they are working on it. The Iberia Star Hotel was open. I'm not sure if they closed because of hurricane damage, but it's open, it's finished and built out. So this strip is going to have some massive hotels on it. And also this strip is part of the Elegant Corridor, which is a main hotel corridor, not only in Jamaica, but the entire Caribbean. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. The construction of the Unico Hotel Montego Bay represents one of the most significant new luxury tourism investments currently underway on Jamaica's north coast. Developed by RCD Hotels, the project marks the first Unico branded resort outside of Mexico, signaling strong international confidence in Jamaica's tourism product and long-term economic prospects. The Unico Hotel is being constructed in Montego Bay, Jamaica's premier tourism hub and gateway for international visitors. Designed as a high-end, adults-focused, all-inclusive resort, the property is expected to feature approximately 450 luxury rooms spread across multiple low-rise buildings that blend modern architecture with Caribbean and Jamaican cultural influences. Construction officially began in late 2020 following government approvals and investment agreements. Since then, site works, foundation construction, and vertical development have been progressing in phases. The project also includes purpose-built staff housing, supporting sustainable workforce development and reducing pressure on surrounding communities. The Unico Hotel Montego Bay is more than just another resort. It is a strategic investment that reflects Jamaica's growing reputation as a world-class luxury destination. With construction advancing steadily and an anticipated 2026 opening, the project is poised to make a lasting contribution to tourism, growth, employment, and national development. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think about this development. Leave your comments in the section below. And let us know if you think it will be open by 2026. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.